Hello my dear friends, today we will be learn about an interesting topic regarding scatter plotter graph, or you can say that scatter plot graph. In some books it is in lesson 4.1 it is there, okay, but it is very important for you to understood what is scatter plot graph, okay. So my dear friends, always I request you, if you like my channel, please subscribe my channel, write your comment section so that you will getting the new videos from my sides. Okay, let's start. What is a scatter plot graph? But before that, always I told you, you have to be what? Yes, understood. What is the meaning of that one? What is the meaning or what is the definitions? Okay, the definition is what? The definition of the scatter plot graph is nothing but it is called as relation between two sets. What is the relation between the two sets? Though we are talking about the graph, so we know that a graph having what? How many axes? Yes, it is two axes, x-axis and y-axis. Yes, like this. Yes or no, my dear friends? Okay, so x-axis and y-axis. X-axis given some data and y-axis is given some data. Okay, this is called as what? Scatter plot graph. But if you want to understand what is a scatter plot graph, in lesson 4.1 some important clues are given. Some important words you have to be recall so that you can easily solve the various questions coming on under the scatter plot. Okay, so what are the important words or what are the important things you have to learn? Yes, the three things very important for you. What are the? First one is called as cluster. Second one is called gap. Third one is called outlier. Understood? First one is called as cluster. It is cluster. Second one is called gap. Third one is called outlier. What do you mean by the cluster? What do you mean by the gap? And what do you mean by the outlier? So my dear friends, it is very easy. Try to understand it. We know that the graph paper is the bisection or the intersection of x and y axis. Yes or no? Suppose I have to draw some lines here like this. Okay, I have to represent some axis so that easily you can understood what is a cluster, what is a gap, and what is a what? Outlier. Now this is the y axis. Axis is also like this. Yes or no? It may not be visible to you very clearly, but try to understand this one. Okay. Now some after from the given data, if I draw a graph, then how it will look like? The points are coming I will clear this one so that you can easily understood. Okay. So after getting the points from the data, what are some points will coming like this. Okay, like this. So these points are in a particular, they are forming a group, they are closer with each other. So these points are called as what? Cluster, or you can say it as closer points. Understood? So if they are forming a straight line, okay, this is a little bit of bend, so try to understood this one. Okay, they are forming a straight point, okay, straight line or straight slope. Okay, then this slope will be called as what? It is called as what? Positive association. Means the graph showing the positive association, and these points are called as cluster. Understood? If a point is far away from the rest of the point, then I will say that this point is called as what? outlier. Outlier. Next, the gaps, whatever the things it is, the empty spaces present in the graph, okay, leaving these points is called as gap, empty spaces. Understood? Now, as I told you, this is positive association. The positive association meaning is what? The positive association meaning is that if the data forming a straight slope, if we will draw with the help of the scale and pencil, then if it is forming a straight slope, then I will say that what? It is a positive association. But remember that slope must be in increasing order. Understood? So the question will come in, if it is in decreasing order, what it will be? Yes. If your slope will be coming under down gradation or decreasing order, then this graph is called as what? Yes, it is called as negative association. Means the points are coming like this. Okay. Okay, they are forming a decreasing order. Okay. Suppose the graph is showing no slopes. Okay, no slopes. Then what it will be? Yes, it is called as no association graph. Means the datas are different from each other. Whatever the datas are given, they are not in the straight lines, there may be curved lines. Okay, you can solve that. You can say that these are called as non-linear graph also, and these straight lines are called as linear graphs. So how it is easy, my dear friends? So my dear friends, if you understood, then please write in my comment section. I will clear all of your doubts. Okay, so my dear friends, only one request, please subscribe my channel so that you will be getting the new videos from my side. Thank you. Have a nice day.